Hey guys, today I am going to show the PR received from Juicy Chemistry because of their 10 years of organic growth and innovation. So let's unbox. They start this brand 10 years ago bootstrapped with just 5,000 rupees only. With a Facebook page, they set out a machine to deliver truly organic personal care to the world. Today, a decade later, they are thrilled to announce that they have curated a versatile range of personal care and color cosmetics. Okay, let's see what's in the bag. Yeah, little baby towel. It's really cute and soft. And the next one is lemon and green tea organic lip scrub for tan and chapped lips. Let's try. We have to rub this 2 to 3 minutes on our lips and wash with the water. Wow, it really makes my lips soft. Okay, next try with the vanilla bean organic lip balm to protect our lip from dry and sensitive. It has rich creamy butter to repair our dry and damaged lips. And the next one is Color Chemistry lipstick. It's a nude shade peach lipstick. Next, go with the Color Chemistry makeup primer. It's a smooth and blurry thing. We have to use this before foundation. It makes the foundation lighter and thin. Because of their 10 years of organic growth, they have planned 2 offers. First one is B2G2. Yeah, that is buy one and get 2 products free. It's really amazing, right? You have to do is add 4 products to cart and get 2 lower value products free. And it's applicable on MRP only. I really attracted to their quality. Yeah, it's too good. Now the second offer is up to 50% slashed prices and you can get extra 20% off. Use my affiliate code Jahnavi. In total you can get 70% off and the products are really worth and awesome. So grab the offer guys. Don't forget to subscribe Jahnavi Vlogs 10.